how to transfer photos from USB to your Android device. Now, if you want to transfer your photos from USB to Android, just simply put your USB in an OTG and connect that to your phone. If you don't know how, you can check out channel for guides. And after doing that, you will see your USB just below this SD card section. Now at the moment I don't have a USB to connect, so I have to give some considerations here. That's why I cannot show you exactly how, but after connecting your USB, you'll very easily see it. Just simply open by tapping into it. For example, I'll open my internal storage, and like this, just simply open your USB section. And then you need to select any of the folders or pictures that you would like to transform. For example, let's select the pictures here, and after that select your picture for a while, and you will get this option of move in order to transfer. Now just simply select move, and after this you need to go to this internal storage section and then tap to move here. Then like this, your picture will easily be transferred from USB to Android. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.